job that pays well and provides security? Well, we have curated a list of some such jobs for you. Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force ITBPF is recruiting for the position of Sub-Inspector, Hindi Translator with a total of 17 vacancies to be filled. Please note that the number of vacancies is tentative and may change without prior notice. For detailed information, visit the official website at recruitment.itbpolice.nic.in. Please, the online application portal will be open on July 28, 2024 and will close on August 26, 2024. The National Institute of Secondary Agriculture ICAR is inviting applications for various positions including young professional, laboratory assistant, laboratory attendant and senior research fellow. The educational qualification criteria vary for each post. The application deadline for all positions is July 27, 2024. For more details about the eligibility criteria and the application form, please visit their website at nisa.icar.gov.in. Shortlisted candidates will be notified via email to appear for an interview by July 31, 2024. The Defence Research and Development Organisation (DRDO) is inviting applications for the position of Junior Research Fellow in various fields including electronics, computer science, chemical engineering, ocean technology, mechanical engineering, optoelectronics and physics. The upper age limit for applicants is 28 years. The closing date for receipt of applications is 30 days after the publication of this advertisement. For more details, please visit their website at www.drdo.gov.in. Please note that the offer of fellowship does not confer any right for absorption into DRDO. Ordnance Factory Khamaria, a unit of Munitions India, is recruiting for tenure-based DBW, that is Danger Building Work positions, for an initial period of 1 year with the possibility of extension of up to maximum of 4 years. The age limit for applicants is between 18 to 35. The closing date for receipt of applications by post is 15 days from the date of publication of this advertisement. For more details, please visit the careers tab on their website at munitionsindia.in. Rights Limited is seeking candidates for various positions including project leader, team leader, resident expert, resident engineer, site engineer and assistant section officer. For information on how to apply, position details, remuneration, qualifications and other specifics, please refer to the detailed advertisement available on the website at www.rights.com under the career section. The last date to apply is July 26, 2024. All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS, Bibinagar, Hyderabad is recruiting for faculty positions on direct recruitment. There are a total of 68 vacancies available for the post of professor, additional professor, associate professor and assistant professor. For detailed information, please visit their website at aimsbibinagar.edu.in. The last date for submission of online applications is 30 days from the date of publication of the vacancy notice. The Brahmaputra Board, Ministry of Jal Shakti, is hiring for various positions including Deputy Chief Engineer, Superintendent Engineer, Executive Engineer, Accounts Officer and Assistant. For detailed information on eligibility criteria, pay, number of posts and other specifics, please visit their website at brahmaputraboard.gov.in. Interested candidates should note that the last date for the receipt of applications is within 45 days from the date of publication of the advertisement. The Parliament of India Recruitment Branch, Lok Sabha, is inviting applications from eligible Indian citizens and retired employees of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha secretariats for the empanelment of consultant interpreters for regional languages on a contractual basis in the Lok Sabha secretariat. The languages required include Bodo, Gujarati, Marathi, Kashmiri, Konkani, Nepali, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu and more. The last date for receipt of applications is August 5, 2024. For further details, please visit their website at www.sansad.in under the link for advertisements and notices. State Bank of India (SBI) is recruiting specialist cadre officers on a regular basis for the positions of manager and deputy manager in IS audit and marketing financial institutions. Online registration and payment of fees are open until July 24, 2024. For detailed guidelines on how to fill the online application and make the payment, please visit their official website at bank.sbi/web/careers. Candidates are advised to read the detailed advertisement carefully before applying. The All India Institute of Medical Sciences, AIIMS, New Delhi is recruiting for the positions of Accounts Officer, Superintending Engineer and Assistant Engineer. For essential eligibility conditions, terms and conditions and other details, please visit their official website at www.aims.edu and also www.aimsexams.ac.in under the recruitment section. The last date for applications is August 21, 2024. So that wraps up today's updates, but worry not, we'll be keeping you in loop with more notifications, ensuring you stay ahead and never miss a career opportunity. If you've enjoyed today's content, don't hesitate to hit that like button, share with friends and subscribe to stay tuned for more updates on career opportunities. Until then, next time, stay informed and keep watching Rhythm.
रितम मीडिया की नई ऐप आ गई है। जी हाँ, देश की उभरती हुई बहुभाषी मल्टीमीडिया रितम ऐप का नया वर्जन लॉन्च कर दिया है। इस नए अपडेट के साथ मिलेंगे आपको ढेर सारे मजेदार फीचर्स। जैसे ही आप ऐप खोलेंगे, आपको सबसे ताजी खबरों का सेक्शन लेटेस्ट न्यूज मिलेगा। इसमें आप देश दुनिया की हर खबर PIH और देख सकते हैं। साथ ही दिस डे इन हिस्ट्री में जानिए इतिहास की खास बातें। रितम मीडिया ने खास आपके लिए टीवी और वेब सीरीज सेक्शंस जोड़े हैं। अब देखिए अलग अलग न्यूज चैनल्स और मजेदार कहानियां। और हाँ, सिटीजन जर्नलिज्म को बढ़ावा देने के लिए वीडियो सेक्शन भी है। यहाँ आप अपने इलाके की बातें सब तक पहुँचा सकते हैं। खासकर महिलाओं और युवाओं के लिए भी अलग अलग टैब्स हैं, जो उनकी पसंद और जरूरतों को ध्यान में रखकर बनाए गए हैं। तो अब इंतजार कैसा? फटाफट गूगल प्ले स्टोर या iOS पर जाइए और रितम ऐप डाउनलोड कीजिए। सबसे पहले पाइए अपडेटेड न्यूज।